that side for Olembe, wetin happen for Olembe? Oh, Allah, aya pata. You born your pikin, when I supposed for bury you, but the pikin, it go he leave you. He leave you for careful. This thing happen, now for that side for Olembe. How it happen, say, the people they wait for the family, they know, they get well, then they not put lock for the well, they leave am say small pikin they begin cross that place. Small pikin for 5 years. Now in that, what happen, they leave well open, it go fall inside that well. They know they no lock well. When I go carry water for well, carry water, when I leave am open, you na see a picture, let me say, when I say when I go confirm am. When I leave the well open so, and then for level where pikin fit cross enter inside, no be say leave am open and the build am for way, if the pikin wan go fall for inside, that means say na he say go climb. Where even na one step pikin enter inside, even big man fit fall for inside. Now so the pikin go fall for inside well. People where they remove people for well, no be there, so they call sapeur pompier. Before sapeur pompier wan comot, come for that side for Olembe, reach for there, for move that pikin for well, the pikin be don kwara. Una know no? If you don't learn swimming there, you don't stand John water, the seconds after, if they don't can save you, you don't go because life na so that means say life na on top of things so now it's on top it is a threat. Well, if you cut any minute, so now so that pikin ikwara. The people where they get well, una supposed to know say wanna dig well, una supposed to put cover for day. Man one can carry water, he open am, he carry water, he cover am back. Now so the thing day because if not. Plenty people themselves for that well, if the way they see them, man, country woman, they want to see the opening for the well. If it happens so for any man, for any time. So a very bad thing that will happen. 5 years old pikin, and so a kwara. Hey, Papa, where Asia for the family. And I say, it not easy.